This is our third video of this pallet, $650 we got from You Pick a Pallet in Mount Vernon, Illinois. And we're just gonna dive right in. We have this tote and then a wagon full of stuff for this video. We should have about 1 or 2 more videos for you guys, so just gonna dive right on in. The first one, we have like a little coloring book, journal, like preschool kids set.
Christmas, Halloween, face, gym, and spa. Blanket, it looks like, maybe a little
We have a 12-pack of like kids like party favors of blow up beach balls.
One of those little pop things, a mouse pad.
A steering wheel cover, a little like lanyard, neck lanyard for your badge at work.
Masks.
AirPods case. Some pet bowls, like the silicone, like rubber pet bowls.
A 4-pack of Adidas, little name.
Oh, okay, cool. Nice.
Nice.
Like 2 of these yoga rings.
Calendar. Phone case.
Phone case.
Phone case.
Another phone case. Another
Watch
phone
band.
case.
Phone case. Face mask.
Protector. Fake nails.
This would be a nice iPhone case. Another one of these pop things. Monkey balance game for kids. An Elmo birthday thing.
I don't know. It's some kind of like lamp, like remote control light up lamp. Because there's one of those little light remote controls that does different colors. I don't know what it makes.
Oh, that's cool.
Do some more research on that.
It's a charger stand and it's flexible. See that? That's cool.
More good yard sale, like flea market stuff for us.
Case.
Our best find has been a
Waterproof stickers.
camera lens. We thought it was just like a Chinese, like really cheap knockoff one. And we Amazoned and put it on eBay just this afternoon, and it was $110 what we listed it for. And we paid $650 for the entire pallet. So that one camera lens is gonna pay for basically a 1/6 of the pallet there. So.
A set of 2 Adidas lanyards like we just pulled out. I looked these up the other day, and there's jewels on the inside, and you put the jewels on the number. We've gotten several of these.
iPhone case, more lanyards.
A pill gun for pets. A shower head. A nozzle. Some face masks.
This is interesting.
Another one of these foldable phone stands. Panic and Other Disorders book.
So this is like a knockoff COVID-19 vaccination card. Like, I feel like this is highly illegal to sell. But it's a little like lanyard that you put these on, and it says little pins that I am vaccinated, and it's legit like a legit COVID vaccine card, but that's clearly not. I'm surprised like Amazon even allows that to be sold, to be honest with you.
A spring garden flag with cardinals on it.
Another one of those COVID vaccinations.
I'm not really sure what this is. This is like a little white square or something.
Pin and tail on the baby shark party guinea.
This is toilet paper, and it says officially your official retirement papers.
Pop socket phone stands.
This is some sort of part. Sure. Elmo, Sesame Street 2 little sign.
A keychain. A queen keychain.
A sprinkler play mat for kids. Alright, more face masks, more lanyard things. Some sort of, it says ring sizes on it. And what is that show again? Naruto adjustable set necklace. Another one of those pop things, watch bands, more watch bands. A phone case, another one of these mats, another 2 sign, face masks, phone case, a pill thing, fake nails, phone case,
Screen protector, 50 birthday cake topper,
watch band, Some more of these mask bracket things.
Bunch of
scrunchies.
Bunch of Mars chocolate bars.
Another phone case.
Phone case. Phone stand.
Steering wheel cover.
Phone case.
Watch band.
Another one of those Halloween towels.
Another phone case. One of those elephants that sings and plays peekaboo.
Steering wheel cover. Oh, this is the Tennessee Titans flag.
Ketone test strips, face mask,
Protective
tempered glass, shatterproof glass, air caps for your tires,
lanyards, another AirPod case,
fake nails, mask protectors, another one of these masks,
AirPod case, lanyards, phone case, Paul George, and Kawhi Leonard mask.
Mask.
More lanyards.
Mouse pads, Texans, and what is this, Cardinals? Arizona Cardinals. Some more of those pet balls, watch bands, another one of those pop things. Oh, this is fake hair. A wig, but they're, I believe sew-in ones, maybe clip-ins. I'm not sure. I'd have to look into that. Face mask. 2 more sets of stickers. This one's Morgan Wallen. This one doesn't really. It just has a tag on the front, so I'm not really sure. Another one of the pill things for dogs. Eyebrow pin. Some more of the ketone strips. Phone case. One of the masks. Phone case, iPad case, another iPad case, another iPad case, another iPad case, tempered glass, a phone case, watch band, phone case, another mouse pad, disposable dental care syringes, another phone case, another pop thing.
This goes with something. Any idea what that goes to?
I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Tempered glass, more Morgan Wallen stickers.
Bamboo charcoal air purifier. I guess you hang up in your closet or your car, and they're like really big air fresheners.
Yeah, we got some of those. Another Naratu thing.
Colanders, another column.
Yep. This is a cast iron skillet cleaner pad.
A book, Medieval Music.
12 pack of 6-inch beach balls. A face mask.
Stickers, lanyards.
Some more stickers.
Christmas mask.
Lanyards. iWatch magnetic charger. Have you ever seen that?
No, I saw that. Green
like
Packer stickers. More Morgan Wallen stickers. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's one of those little topper things, like a little silicone we gotta be doing. More lanyards, masks.
Just more
lanyards, door hinges, masks.
More Adidas lanyards.
Some seeds.
What are those?
Thanks for your earbuds.
New changer things. Watch band.
No idea. Garden flag, welcome.
For your like the little caps to the tires for cars.
The sneaky stuff that's in these pallets that are worth decent money. Okay, some brand new protein bars. These are like probably 20, 25 bucks.
Some little funnel things.
Pizza necklaces. 4 of them. Alrighty then. Some of these little clips.
Mason jar lids.
Some really smash protein powder.
Like the little. Interesting.
And this is a 40 by 63 centimeters. Nope. Green Day poster. So once again, really good. Like this. Good garage selling and flea market stuff for us. And we've sold a bunch on Marketplace already and eBay.
You want to switch places? Or?
Yeah, switching places. My voices. A little creepy.
Calendar. Phone case. Scrunchie. Tempered glass. These are to catch the lint in your dryer. Moisturizing lipstick. A jigsaw puzzle. Animals. Phone case. Watch band. More phone cases. Little plastic cover things. Not sure what this is. Another adapter, pop socket, mask, a bath mat, urinals for guys, portable, happy birthday sign, more happy birthday stuff, phone case, ketone strip, pop socket, another pop socket, phone case, another Elmo pin the tail thing, phone case, I don't know what any of that is. Retainer bright cleaning tablets. We've got a bunch of these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I know we've had some in our previous videos as well. Another Naruto thing, test strip, more of these mats, face shield, cake piping bags, mat, retainer, foam grip. Oh, to make your own pop sockets. It's a mold for it. That's kind of cool. Suction cups for baby toys. Some sort of baby toy. A weighted jump rope. Phone case. Chief stickers. More stickers. Phone case. Another set of pop sockets. Shredder claws. 2 of these foldable phone stands. Happy birthday sign. AirPods case. Watch band, Morgan Wallen stickers. Cake piping throwaway set.
Everyone's sitting back to Morgan Wallen stickers. What the world?
Ketone strips. Another mat. This is more hair. This is raspberry yogurt, fruit and protein bars. Annie Ann's organic chocolate chip cookies. Large aqua doodle mat. Another one of these magnetic chargers. Screen protector. Stand. Ketone strips. Tire cover things. Butterflies. Water bottle. Tempered glass screen protectors, women's necklace masks, Morgan Wallen stickers, keychain things.
This is a
posters.
One of those big happy birthday signs that you put in your front yard for his birthday. The whole kit for it. That's actually really cool.
Some needles to sew with. Self-threading needles. That's kind of cool. Another one of those retainer things. How Cars Work book. Spice tiered thing.
Phone case.
Morgan Wallen stickers. AirPod case.
Cake slicer?
Know what that is?
I don't know. What's this? Jump rope. Chicago Cubs mouse pad. Those
iPad case. Phone case.
Mode liners or bedpan liners.
Boob bra inserts for your bras. Phone case.
Oven mitts.
Spread the love. Wedding paper stickers.
Baby Yoda dresses Stitch and then Stitch dresses Baby Yoda. Oven mitts.
iPad cases.
More beach balls. 90s baby something.
Phone, good lord. Mouse thing.
Turkey sticks and a bunch of beef jerky.
Phone case.
Fake eyelashes. Lanyards.
Some sort of keychain. Watch bands. More keychains. Morgan Wallen stickers.
Sling swivel something, I don't know.
Phone case.
Fake hair. Grinder mold for something. More of these urine testers.
Oh, a sofa.
Seeds.
Table instructions on how to do that.
That's really what that was in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That's full of shoestrings. Those are strings. Lanyards. I couldn't tell what that was. I set that aside for. These are more the caps for Ford.
It has a screwdriver and like a little wristlet thing. I bet it's some kind of like safety thing where you can like bust out your window, cut your seatbelt or something. I don't know. It's some kind of keychain.
I don't know.
That has a little screwdriver in it. So I don't know. Little keychain thing. So that is it for part 3 of our You Pick a Pallet. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. We're trying to grow as much as possible and try to help out our friends at You Pick a Pallet. So make sure you get on their Facebook page, check out their website, check out their auctions, everything you can about them.
They're getting ready to open a bin store too.
Yep.
It's a great way to get things for
Really cheap. So they'll just take stuff like this and put them in bins for like $5 one day, $3 the next day, $1 the next day. So really good way to get cheap inventory. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, check them out, and really appreciate you guys.